spit fire, bro.
That's insane.
What the fuck? Casually driving a Lamborghini Huracán STO, 650 horsepower. Only 700 of these are made. This is the newest model, brand new. Let's get it. They all move away when you drive this car, it's insane. I'm thinking of where do we drive? Where does it look sick? Marina looks sick.
Yeah, but it's gonna be, we're gonna be back at 5 AM only.
What time is it?
It's
3, whatever.
I mean, for the 360 shots we have enough.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I just wanna record one where I can drive faster so I can see the fire, bro. That looks insane.
Yeah.
Especially in the night when you see it. Why is this not flagged? Marked. This one. No, it's flagged. Oh, you choose the flag and then it.
Oh, green?
Yeah, I see.
Oh yeah, this road is sick.
Oh, it spits fire as fuck.
It's spitting fire. Stop recording so that it saves. What do you think about this car?
It's insane, bro. Like, the Huracán is already insane. It's the first time that I'm driving a Lamborghini. But the Huracán STO is like the street race version, like just legally, so you can, you know, drive it on the streets, and it's insane, bro. 650 horsepower. Only 700 of these are made. This is the newest model. It looks insane, bro. I've driven so many cars like R8s, McLaren, Urus, I don't know, but like a Porsche. What else? AMG GTC, different AMG 360, AMG 63, you know, I got it. But this car draws every attention, bro. Like, people go crazy when they see this car, bro. They stop the road, they don't know how to drive anymore. Their kids go insane. It's insane, it's insane, it's insane.
Would you buy this car?
Bro, let me try the 600 LT, drive it, because I've never drove it, I only have been part of it. And let me try the 720, and then I'm gonna decide. But this one is like, the Huracans, bro, I don't know, Lamborghini is just, it's different. Like the interior, like how it feels, the quality. It is a super sport car, but it has the qualities that you want to have in a street car, like good audio, nice interior, like it makes sense, you know. Now, this is the race sound. It only kicks, it's crazy. The car under 4,000